Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the exciting world of crypto arbitrage. If you're wondering how to make the most out of market inefficiencies, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So, what exactly is crypto arbitrage? It's the art of exploiting price differences of a cryptocurrency on different exchanges. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's break it down. Crypto prices can vary between exchanges due to factors like liquidity, demand, and regional differences. Our goal? To profit from these variations. First step, identify the opportunities. We'll explore tools and platforms that help you track price differences and find those sweet spots for arbitrage. But hold on, crypto arbitrage isn't without risks. We'll discuss strategies to manage risks effectively and ensure you're making informed decisions. Let's put theory into action. I'll walk you through real-life examples of crypto arbitrage trades, breaking down the steps and showcasing the potential profits. Before you embark on your arbitrage journey, I've got some insider tips and tricks to share. From timing your trades to choosing the right currencies, it's all about maximizing your gains. There you have it, crypto warriors. Crypto arbitrage, a powerful strategy in your trading arsenal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy trading!